Tanin Auto Electronix here. Today we're looking at 2004 to 2007 Volvo S40 clusters. So this cluster has a problem with the lighting. As you can see, it's been repaired now, but you'll have certain lights or certain areas of the gauge cluster where the lighting has failed. So we offer a repair service for that. The issue with these is the clusters are vehicle specific and they require programming, and there's mileage issues as well. So your best bet on these is just to send in for a repair. Otherwise, like I said, you're gonna buy a cluster that probably has the same issues as you have with the lighting going out, and then B, you're gonna have to deal with the mileage and any VIN specific programming that's gonna be needed. So this one has brand new lighting, as you can see, and that carries our lifetime guarantee. So again, 2004 to 2007 Volvo S40. Other models might be similar. We also work on the older models, the pre-2004, the S80, the XC70, some of those models as well, which is a different cluster than this one. So thanks for watching, and again, you can obviously see the removal here as well. Before I get going here, there's going to be one trim panel, and then there's going to be two screws on top. So then you're going to remove the front trim panel out of here, and then you'll see the, can't really see it, but hold on here. You've got there you go, one screw hole on top there, and then the other is going to be right there. And then it looks like once you get those out, the cluster itself is held in by a screw back there on the right, and then you'll see a screw hole back there on the left, and then it comes straight out. So very easy. Don't pay a shop or mechanic $100 to do this. It's literally just 4 screws and then it comes out. And then the plugs on the back, you'll find a couple plugs on the back. Actually looks like there's even just one plug. Get this other spare cluster we have here. So there's going to be one plug on the top, this green section here, and you just pop that out and the cluster is free. So hopefully that helps somebody out there just repair their cluster and get it back to new condition.